Is he on any medication?
None.
Doctor, I think you should see this.
How much?
Why, what is it?
He's got money coming out the wazoo.
What do we have?
Money out the wazoo.
Move this man to a private room.
Out of the way, this man's got money coming out the wazoo.
Does your husband have insurance?
Insurance? He's got money coming out of the wazoo.
Oh.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Tyrone with CryptoCurrency Alerts. Today is Friday, the 12th of January, 2018, and just coming to update you on the alerts that we released to the Alpha group in our Telegram group yesterday. It's worked out pretty well. ETHLend was the recommendation. It was an 8% return, roughly say 5 hours, and the pick prior to that was Syndicator. That one also returned about 5%. So I'm exhausted. I have to be perfectly honest. I was up. This crypto will wear you down. So especially when you're trying to trade. So it just gets you. So I'm going to go ahead and close up my trades here for today. Move everything to the sidelines into Ethereum. And take the weekend off. So anyone that is on the alerts program, I believe there are 2 outstanding alerts. Those will be closed, so those will be monitored, even though there won't be any new alerts released over the weekend. So if you have participated in the 2 open, again, I will be updating those as soon as the sell target is reached. So there we go. And the reason why we started here, like I said, usually I do an introduction. Today I'm telling you I am tired. Having money coming out the wazoo does get exhausting, so I definitely will be taking a nap after this video. So quickly, I want to show you, this is our Telegram group right here. And again, not very many people have joined, but those that have joined are definitely benefiting from the service. As you can see where we put the ETHLend alert to sell, put a little bit of information and the recap. So that was an 8% return. This morning, 10:14 Mountain Time. So that was about 4 or 5 hours ago. We put the buy alert to buy IDO at let's see, 0.004060 Ethereum. And if you, let's get back here. Currently, this is trading at 0.484, so quite a tremendous return in 4 hours. I'm making this video now just so you can kind of see live with me kind of how this works and what I'm thinking when you get into this situation. So right now the market's going crazy. They're loving it. The market's buying it up. You're dealing with FOMO. But the thing is that I bought it down here, like I said, below this 20 line this morning. It hasn't even got to the 80 yet, so even though it's had this huge run up, I haven't even got into my sell zone yet. And I mean, the percentage gain has already been tremendous. So what I'm going to do, again, you know, pigs get led to slaughter. But in order for this system to work, there's a couple things that are crucial to success. Number one, you have to find a solid company that is producing products that are being released to the market, that the market is receiving, and that the market is using. I do this wallet. I currently use it. I have it on my phone. I have coins in the wallet. It works. So I do know that they are moving forward with their plan. So that's why I don't mind trading short term on something that I know is solid. So the reason being is that if it does drop down, say if I misread something here, again, because there's a lot of things out of our control, but we're trying to control what we can. If it does get out of my range and drops down, I have the confidence to hold on to it, even if it is for a year, because in a year this is going to be a lot higher than what it is now. But my goal in this program, in the alert program, is we're just looking to continually produce returns daily, hourly, to change the way we're living. One of the things I plan on doing is on the ETHLend. Again, that's a token that we used to achieve some profits last night. I've always wanted to go into the bank like, man, I wish I could get paid that interest rate. this bank's getting, but if you're not a banker or a banker's child, you have little chance of reaping in those interest payments that are made. But through this process, through this our cryptocurrency alerts program, with the profits that are being generated, take that money, go over to ETHLend, find people that are losing money in the market right now and they need more, and issue loans. Start creating collecting interest. If the person defaults on the loan, you own their collateral. So I mean, it's an opportunity to be on the other side of the table. I believe that this cryptocurrency alerts program is going to provide that vehicle for those that take advantage of it. So right now it's a public open alpha. Anyone is open to join. So please follow the link in the description and get involved with this. You see the just continues to jump. And remember, I bought this at 0.0040. So yeah, I'm very pleased with that. Again, so when I didn't really go over this yesterday, just to give you a little more detail about these, how to use these three indicators in conjunction with each other to find when you want to enter a position and when you want to exit. So as you see these Bollinger Bands, again, you can use this top band as kind of a gauge for a price hitting up against resistance, and you can use the bottom line as to gauge if it's bouncing on support. And again, the middle line is just the moving average, so just kind of the average price over the time. And so you see it's kind of wide. When it gets wide like that, price kind of drops down, tightens up, price goes up, widens, price is down. See that? So what made me put the alert out on I do this morning is that all the conditions, we were down right here, I believe. And so I saw it crossing over. I also saw that here on the MACD that the blue line was starting to go over the red line with, and this is kind of like a momentum indicator, kind of just showing you the speed of the trend. And you see that's a really strong trend that it's in right there. So it's like, wow, that looks good. And it was really tight here with the band. So again, I think I've stated this in previous videos that when those Bollinger Bands narrow, something's going to happen one way or the other. So then you can refer to your MACD, your Stochastic RSI, and that will say, okay, well, something is about to happen. I see momentum moving up. I'm going to buy. So that's kind of how you can ensure that you're entering in at the best price. So right now, again, this is dropping down. It's at 46, but I'm still, again, I might not even sell it on this run. It might drop back down, okay? And if it does, I will continue to hold it, because what I do to be successful with this program is I buy below the 20, I sell above the 80. And that's by doing that over and over, where we're not going to lose. We're going to continue to win, even if it's incremental gains of a 5-8% return. You're covering the fees for the trade on both sides. It happened within the time you were sleeping, I mean a nap time. And really, out in the banking world, if you're able to produce a 5% return annually, I mean, you're making 6-7 figures, living large with the corner office and the penthouse, so we're able to do that in our pajamas, on our laptops, and truly change the way we're living by definitely increasing our purchasing power. So congratulations to all those that have joined, taken advantage of these of the program. And again, for those that haven't and are listening, it's free to join right now. You do not have to participate at all, but just come in, see the picks, see the returns. It's all will be posted there, full disclosure, full transparency, so you will see the results. And if you are impressed, get involved sooner rather than later. I mean, there is a crypto boom taking place, and if you are not profiting handsomely, then you might want to look at your strategy. Now, I will take that back. If you are a long-term holder, then again, none of this matters. So long-term holders, you just buy, you hold. If it drops down, you dollar cost average, meaning you buy when it drops, so that lowers your overall cost of the investment, and you just hold in long term. So this program, cryptocurrency alerts, is not built for the long term. We are looking to get in as low as possible, finding the weak points and getting out at a high as soon as possible. The question was asked to me last night, is this a short, long, or midterm hold? If it turns around in 30 minutes and the charts say sell, we're selling. Sometimes, again, it might take longer than that. 5, 6, 7 days possibly. But the key for that is that if it does drop down, we're buying quality products that we believe in. So if it does drop down, we're buying more. So when it does run up, we're profiting even more. So that's how this program is going to work, how it is working, and how it's definitely changing the way that I am living. So I believe it. Nothing special about me. So if it works for me, your dollars will go up just like mine do. So that is what we have there. Let's see, what else do we want to talk about that we have? I'll show you something here. This is one of the open alerts that we have. And just to show you that you don't want to, we're using these tools, again, for short-term profits or just profits. We want to win every trade. But and we also want to eliminate emotion from our decisions as much as possible. But last night, I get caught up in it too. This Wabi, because it had run so wonderfully, and I kind of missed out on it. So again, the FOMO, and that's what I'm trying to get rid of. We put it out as a buy, I believe, 2 days ago. It wasn't the recommended buy, but just the bonus buy, just like the I do was a bonus pick today. But it's still, you have to really make sure all three of your factors are in tune. I had these two really looking good when I made the recommendation and made my purchase, but I kind of got in here where this little too wide still. You see that? And if I would have waited, see how it's tightening up now? So soon, you see, it's starting to set up that you might, want to buy more. And that's what I'll probably be doing with the profits from this I do. I'll probably move them over here to Wabi and then watch this one run back up for me today and this weekend. So yeah, that's how it works. Again, there are no guarantees in life. If you're watching this video, you understand that. I mean, you're smart enough to be interested in crypto when everyone else is still chasing the fiat dollar. So you're smart enough to know that there are no guarantees, but we can put ourselves in position to win. And that's basically what we're trying to do here, is put ourselves in position to win by buying as low as possible. We're buying on the weakness. And again, the example just with this I don't know what people were doing this morning when we put out the alert to buy, but now they're definitely buying, and that's when we're looking to sell. Like, you can have it from me, and I'll take my double-digit return, and I'll go have a nice weekend. So that's what this is for, and I hope that you can take advantage of it. If you choose not to, again, that's fine as well. I appreciate you watching the video, if nothing else. And if you do like the video, you do like the information that we are providing, please subscribe, click the notification bell so you're notified as soon as new videos are released. And again, we're just going to continue to grow this, continue to refine the process, and continue to produce profits for all. Thanks, courtesy of the blockchain. So let's see. I haven't even looked at the markets today. I mean, truly, I just haven't. So we'll go over them real quick. I see Bitcoin is down, but still up for the day. Ethereum, again, this is what we're doing. Let's talk weird. Ethereum. So this weekend, after all my positions close, once they hit my sell level, I'll be moving everything into Ethereum, kind of be my trading funds safe haven. So put them there for the weekend and then come back Monday ready to go. So that's, like I said, we'll be using Ethereum as our safe haven. I believe in Bitcoin. I do love Bitcoin, but I just believe as far as like a potential percentage gain that Ethereum's going to triple before Bitcoin does. I just believe you're going to get a better return over the next few months in Ethereum. So just my points. glad to see this. Cardano is up. Not sure why. Still don't believe they released anything, but it's up. Have to check the charts. Again, really doesn't even matter. I mean, what matters is that if you want this cryptocurrency alerts program to work, is that you do have to find a quality project. So if it does go down, you have the strength and conviction to purchase more dollar cost average. So when it does run up, again, you're able to profit more. So let's see. There's really, again, I'm sure like it's a little later in the day, so I'm sure you've already seen and heard all the different news that's going on in the crypto world. I have no idea what this is. Janus. There used to be a company here in Colorado called Janus Funds, and wow, up 7,143.03%. Wow. Have no idea. Not even going to click on it. But again, this is our current pick right now. I definitely wouldn't be advising anyone to get into this right now, unless, of course, for a year hold, because this iDo wallet is going to continue to gain market acceptability, gain a market cap. I think it's a really nice wallet, and again, it's worked for me. I've had no issues for it, so that's why I again have no problem holding on to it. Let's see here. We'll just run through some, and then we'll get out of here. Tron. I would still hold out on Tron. Momentum starting to go up, but it is definitely depressed. You want these. You see how it's getting tight there. You want this blue line to be going up with this velocity moving up there. And again, also wanting that blue line to be crossing over the red. So that could jump at any moment. This is one that is an open call right now, is Simple Token. And let's see here. Yeah, still decent momentum, velocity going up. Let's see here. Very narrow. I'm sorry. Geez. Sorry about that. But you see how narrow that is right now? I mean, yeah, that's very narrow. Definitely velocity going up. And again, you see the blue line going up. So this is one that, if you look in the Telegram group, this was from yesterday, was a buy. So looks like we will be able to get out of this one here today if it continues in the direction that it's heading. So a little light on the volume, but I like this nice narrow Bollinger Band. I like this blue line crossing over with nice velocity, momentum over the red. And again, we like seeing that right there. You see it just jumped again. So now it's up in the sell zone. We'll just see how far it goes. Watching my momentum here, it says that it's going to continue to go higher. So we'll just watch it. When that line starts to come cross over the red up in this 80, above 80 area, that's our signal to go ahead and take them profits and move on to the next one. So let's see. And this one, you see iDo, it just keeps on moving. Look at the momentum, the velocity has even increased since we've been talking. I mean, look at that buy volume. See that going up? So FOMO is kicking in, it looks like, on this one. So I'm going to hold it for a minute. If you are in the Telegram group, as soon as the sell signal is indicated, we'll go ahead and put the message in there for you to get out. If you did get in this morning, I mean, at 0.0040, I mean, you could take your profits right now. I mean, there would be absolutely nothing wrong with that. For me and for the program, I'm just refining my my accuracy, I guess. So I'm just testing every indicator to the nth degree. So I'm waiting for them to, so I don't have to think. Because when you put my thinking in, that's when things go crazy. So I want to be guided by these. I'll do my thinking as far as plugging in the solid companies that I believe in. But from there, we want the technology to assist with showing us when to buy low and sell higher. So as you see, again, this one's just doing its work. What else? See, I was tired when I started this video. Now I get to talking about this crypto. I'm ready to talk for another hour. But I will save you all that, let you get to the markets and do your thing. Again, I'd like to, we're CryptoCurrency Alerts. This is our Twitter page. Please follow. We're posting information on the returns in the group. As you see here, today's CryptoCurrency Alert, Lend yielded 8%. Come join us. There's a link to get you into the group. Let's see, what other ones do we have? And then, yeah, so right here, okay, then we had a CND, which is syndicator. That one yielded 6%. So we're putting it up there. We're trying to be fully transparent. Again, this is the alpha version of the program, so we're ironing out any kinks right now. If you join the program, we're open for suggestions. If you do have a coin that you would like tracked in the program, again, I'm using just a basket of coins that I have personally researched and believe that would work well with this model. But if you have a coin that you have researched fundamentally, you believe in the project, and you would like to trade it using these technical indicators, please drop it in the description, and we'll go ahead and get that tuned in for you, let you know when are good opportunities to buy and sell. The only requirement is that it has to be a coin that is listed on Binance. That's unfortunately just I don't have access to charts on a exchange other than Binance. So as long as it's a coin listed on Binance, we can plug it in. And so give us your favorite coin. I got people calling me here, so it's telling me it's time to go. So I will get out of here with that without further ado. This is Tyrone. This is CryptoCurrency. CryptoCurrency alerts. I'm reading, looking at alerts and everything. But again, friends, I appreciate you so much. Once again, if you enjoy the charts, I have a link for Coinigy. Again, they're doing a 30-day free trial. I love it. You see how I'm utilizing it. It's already paid for itself for probably the year for me. But I am a cheapskate, so I'm still going to keep using it until I have to pay for it. But I triple thumbs up to them. I mean, this software is absolutely incredible in my mind, and I recommend it to you if you choose to do this cryptocurrency alerts program with us. So have a wonderful weekend. Again, check the Telegram group. All alerts that are open will be closed out, so you will be notified on the sell point. And hope again the weekend's good. Do something fun. Enjoy the profits that you received from crypto this week. And I hope all of your trades work out in your favor. Remove the FOMO, and that is how we will stay profitable, friends. This is Tyrone, CryptoCurrency Alerts. We'll talk to you soon.
The information provided by CryptoCurrency Alerts is for informational purposes only. It should not be considered legal or financial advice. You should consult with an attorney or other professional to determine what may be best for your individual needs. CryptoCurrency Alerts does not make any guarantee or other promise as to any results that may be obtained from using the service. No one should make any investment decision without first consulting his or her own financial advisor and conducting his or her own research and due diligence. To the maximum extent permitted by law, CryptoCurrency Alerts disclaims any and all liability in the event any information, commentary, analysis, opinions, advice, and/or recommendations prove to be inaccurate, incomplete, or unreliable, or result in any investment or other losses. Content contained on or made available through the website is not intended to and does not constitute legal advice or investment advice, and no attorney-client relationship is formed. Your use of the information on the website or materials linked from the web is at your own risk.